This is my new throne. I got the idea from Ross Valley Autos. He's got one mic, sits in it when he's talking, doing a vlog about what he's going to plan for the week. So this may replace a leopard skin carpet as my new throne. So, can you see it all? Point of view. This has got wee rubber feet which are adjustable. And this swings up. Talk to the video cam. So this is the recliners part. I've got the backrest to put on next, which I take it will be in there. Got to try and work out how that bolts on there and what these are for. Get clevis pins and stuff. These are Allen bolts as well. I'll probably need to tighten them right up. So that's the next job. Two-second video, can you guess what it is yet? Unboxing video of the base. This looks like feet. I didn't. I thought that out. You'd think they'd put it in. Right, that's quite the feet. Oh, that'll be the pump. Yeah, makes sense, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Almost like an Easter egg.
Yep.
See, that's the pump.
Mm-hmm. Note you don't damage that, you.
Right, I know. Okay, switch off. So here we have a wee 1/4" ratchet and an 11mm, and I'm just going to tighten that up diagonally to fit my car wheel. I used the speed brace on it, maybe even the wee electric thing. Huh?
Yep.
Oh, that's deep. So you need a deep socket for that, which is something probably not a lot of folk will have. Right, that's on quite deep. That's it right now. There. is this first part of the drawing. I'll speed this bit up. That'll sound all funny when my voice is on. That's it, Cam. Tight. Stop. So it appears to be bolted in from underneath with 13 mils. So I'll just, probably 12s. 12s. Just to add a little bit extra pep into it, you see, we bring in a funny size that nobody's got. Brilliant. Okay, Carl, that's you can let go. I should hold it. I'll just tighten it. So this is the recliners part. I've got the backrest to put on next, which I take it will be in there. Got to try and work out how that bolts on there and what these are for. Get clevis pins and stuff. These are Allen bolts as well. I'll probably need to tighten them right up. So that's the next job. They think they're going to be working forever doing it. Right, so massive Allen key in there. Haven't used car stuff. So I hope this is right. Otherwise I'll have to take it out, put it upside down, but it looks like it's right. So there's no way you'd be able to do this job unless you had car tools. I don't understand that. That's not even the right width. What the F is going on there? So I'll wait to see what's happening. Maybe there's bushes or something that's to go in there. So that's bolted in there like that. I think this goes on there like that wee gas strut. Tea time. Okay, that's the chair arrived, so I'll show you the next step.